ជំរាបសួរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាជួបគ្នាសាជាថ្មីម្ដងទៀតហើយថ្ងៃនេះថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ខ្ញុំនឹងទៅ Home Depot ទៅទិញជីទិញអីដាក់ដាំដំណាំត្រឡប់មកវិញក៏នឹកឃើញចូលផ្សារមេឃមើលតើគេមានលក់អ្វីខ្លះបាទហើយផ្សារមេឃនេះទូចទេនៅទីក្រុង Avondale សហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកបាទសូមបងប្អូនរីករាយនៅក្នុងការទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះហើយកុំភ្លេចសូមជួយ Subscribe ផងបងប្អូនណាអរគុណច្រើនជួបគ្នានៅខាងមុខទៀត
Whoever looking to buy home, you can stop by here as an agent. They can help you to get your new home. Another drink. Yeah. Here we go. Uniform for construction. Not bad, huh? Okay. All right.
Today we come to I think it's a swap meet in Avondale. This is our first time. We always see this every time we drive by, but we never thinking about stopping by. So today, yeah, we stop by. We'll see what they have. Okay, now we are in. Oh, they have a lot of stuff too, huh? Yeah. All kind of stuff. Good morning. Yeah. Đây rồi tình ấy đấy nè, khơi nhà nhâm mà nhém á. Mấy chồng ba này chân chính vào với yeah, have a lot of stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, they have a kind everything. They have tree, they have clothes, they have food, appliances. Yeah. Anything you want it, you need it. It's a second hand and plan. Yeah, they even have papaya. These two. Just walk through first and see what we.
$1 each. $1 each.
Yeah, that's $1 each here. There's a lot of clothes, candy, everything. Yeah. Hello. Use TV, plans again. Honey. These are the three we already wanted. Right? No, this is not.
I think that's the one.
Yeah, that's not one.
Not the one.
Are you sure?
Smell it.
Try with my. Yeah. No, we'll check if the same. Yeah. Xua màn á. Yeah, see how kind. Not that big, but yeah. Okay, they have Birds. Yeah. Who won the race? Bird is here. Yeah. Tools. Close again. Yeah. Vegetable, candy. It's a lot of stuff too. Huh? Beer. This is a little swap meet in Avondale. Yeah. Tree. Cái thùng này, thùng này. Ooh, food over here. Beef jerky. Drink, yeah. It's another food place here. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You want any drink?
Not. It's a nice swap meet. It's a lot of stuff for sale, most new and used. Yeah. Here's kitchenware, bowl, plate, spoon, forks, everything. Shoe, all kind of boots, Western boot, bells, everything. Yeah. If anyone want to come to this swap meet, you just write on. I think it's a low Buckeye. And before you hit the bridge to the desert road, yeah, it's on the left side. If you come from Litchfield, it's on the right side. Yeah, you won't miss it. It's, I think, happy only what? Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. 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 Anybody need a host for, for your garden, for your home? Okay. It's not bad. It's small, but it's organized. Ties. Anybody want a tie for your vehicle? It's all here too. It's nice. I know it's used, but it's good. And collection car. Toy his car, yeah.
El miedo que le tenía muy pronto se hizo notar. Muchas fuerzas federales
Anything for your
y un
home?
batallón militar. Solamente
Yeah. Look at this. That's nice.
Is it non-stick?
Yes, it's acero forjado. This is for that one now, especial.
More here. It's all for girls, boys, and all ages. Stuff. Làm chơi nướng mà rồi. It's not bad. At least we know what. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff. No lắm mà. Want anything to drink? Look at here. Fresh coconut. How much per coconut?
$8.
$8. Say if anybody want refreshing, you just come here right on the center. He sell all kind of drink and have a fresh coconut. It's only $8. Yeah, this is my first time to stop by. It's all kinds of stuff here. Okay, they have a real estate here too. Yeah. Whoever looking to buy home, you can stop by here as an agent. They can help you to get your new home. It's another drink. Yeah. Here we go. Want some tools? Yeah. Uniform for construction. Hey, it's not bad, huh? Okay. All right. is it? Oh. Yeah. Okay, now we are on our way out. Well, bye, we'll see you next time.